Morning, heading out to Canyon Lake to see if we can recover someone's iPhone. Actually, Ben's a neighbor of mine. He reached out to me. He said, hey, are you cousins with Manipulous River? I'm like, yeah. I was like, dude, I just lost my iPhone at Canyon Lake, and I was watching a video of you and him recovering some dude's GoPro. I'm like, absolutely. So I grabbed Ty Dog here, my son. So we're gonna head out and see if we can recover it for him. All right, we got Ben here. Ben, you want to tell us the story of how the iPhone was lost?
Well, we're out here at Canyon Lake, Arizona. We went kayaking out in the backwoods, and I had her on the kayak, and I being a dummy last minute, didn't bring my ammo can to put everything in. I had my phone in my pocket and put it in a Ziploc, luckily enough. Hopefully that worked, we'll see. But yeah, she jumped off the kayak tipped, and it rocked right out of my pocket, and I saw it fall in the water. I dove down, couldn't grab it, and I couldn't find it.
All right.
No luck.
All right, we will. We'll see if we can recover this for Ben. No promises, but we'll do our best.
Appreciate it.
What do you think, Tyson? You feeling lucky today?
I feel pretty lucky.
All right, let's see what we can do. All right, we're heading out. Dog's having fun.
All right, best of luck. Let's do this.
All right.
Guess what we found?
Success.
This guy.
Good work, Tyson.
It was on when we pulled it up.
Yeah.
It paired to my phone. It was good to go.
That's awesome.
I'm going to put it in some desiccant just to make sure.
Perfect.
Make sure it dries out. Nothing goes bad after we recovered it.
Right.
But we found it.
That's awesome.
We were about to go up. He told me to give me the sign to go up, and I'm like, wait, there's a bag right there. So I picked it up. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's the phone.
So I was down there, and it's all murky. I'm thinking, all right, let's head up. And as we're heading up, I look over and see Tyson holding the bag. Like, yes, he's got it.
Roxy.
Success. Right. Roxy's excited. We found it.
High five. Yeah.
Not in trouble anymore.
Oh.
Nice. All right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you bet. You bet. Very successful. Good job, Tyson. Way to go.
Oh yeah.
Over and out.